Welcome back to Spaces We Love, and I'm your host B. Wamboya. I want to take you through this beautiful 4-bedroom plus DSQ in Kileleshwa, going for 22.5 million Kenya shillings. The square meter is 230. Come with me. So what we have here is your balcony, which is so big, extends all the way to your laundry area on that other side. Then we have this beautiful barricade here that has been covered with glass here, and I think this is very safe even for children. You can already tell the views here are spectacular. This is more of an open plan layout, which gives the whole space a lot of modern feeling, minimalistic feeling. I mean, we have an open kitchen right here. I love the staging, but I think I would prefer if my dining was kind of like on the other side, making sure that I have all this space to myself. I also have a chance to have a bigger dining set there. I mean, that is the beauty of off-plan. You can be able to play around with the space that you have. So this is the kitchen. We have your kitchen fittings right here. We have a big sink right here for you to wash. Then on this other side is where we have the staged dining area, which is very lovely. The lightings, the gypsum ceiling, everything complements this house. I love the color of the tiles, very, very lovely. I mean, you have your office there, but as I said, I think that space is what I would probably do with my dining. Everything about this house just speaks modern, speaks beauty, and perfect for a home. I love how you can play around with this wall here, and then on this other side where is the entry porch, we have this cabinetry here that you can use as a shoe rack on this side, or you can place some of your decor pieces here. You can have your coats or umbrellas right here. We have the intercom system here for you to communicate with the security. Then we have this biometric door, making sure that we have enhanced your security when you are living here. Right now, I think I want to go to the bedrooms. One thing that I really like about this house is the space that you feel. I mean, look at all this. This is so beautiful. Right now, it's around 4 p.m. Then we have, you can enjoy the sunset coming in. You have the rays coming into your house, making sure that your home has that warmth throughout the day. Then this here is a beauty because the spacing is good. We have a washroom on this side and the first bedroom. I would probably have this as the guest bedroom. I want to make sure to tell you that this whole house has 3 bedrooms that come en suite. Only 1 room does not come en suite. So let's have a look at this particular room. This is beautiful. The space, I love this developer because consistently they have ensured that in all the developments they have adequate space in all rooms. The window here, making sure that you have good lighting. Then of course every room comes en suite apart from only 1 room. Then giving you a bit of privacy straight, we have another room here which is kind of like a small room. This is what I would probably use as an office. What I will do here, love the balcony that is provided here. I will turn this to an office, change that into glass and open it all up. I can enjoy this space as my study area or a home office. Going to the other room, which is the second bedroom. Let me show you what I will do with this room right here. Again, comes with its own bathroom that makes it an ensuite bedroom. I would probably turn this room to a kid's bedroom. Comes with a balcony, but I think what I will do is open up that balcony, extend the whole room outwards to the balcony, cover it all up, making sure that I have a floor to ceiling window, bringing in more light into the room, and most likely have, instead of a king's bed here, put a loftel bed here for my children. I think that is good utilization of the room if you are buying for a family. Now let's go to the master bedroom. This is a piece of art, and I'm telling you, this is something that you will love. I mean, look at this. This is exactly what I was talking about. Extension, leaving out the balcony, extension of the whole room outwards. Then you have a bigger window, have more light. You can feel the warmth in this room. I mean, look at the tiling, gives it a bit of difference. This is non-slip tiles, a bit of difference from the living room. And you have more space to work with. You can have a lounge seat right there. You have more storage space. As you can see, we now have a different set of the wardrobes, and this is perfect for my ladies. If you are doing your makeup in the morning, you have more light to your room. Let me show you how this space is extended. Have amazing, I feel like I would enjoy the views better without the balcony. The room extended like this. This is beautiful, meaning I don't even have to clean the balcony every other day, which is better for me. And the views that we have in Kileleshwa are just beautiful, especially this time of the year. I can see Riverside, I can see Riverside Square, or from that side I can see the Saruni from here, and this is beautiful. Every morning waking up with such views, I can tell I will have beautiful days for the rest of my life. Then on this other side we have the washroom. Oof, look at that, this is beautiful. Then we have your cubicle, shower cubicle right here with the window here. Have the rain shower coming down. This is amazing. This is ideal for any family that is looking for a home. Then this is the place that you need to be. Topping it up, we have amazing amenities right here. We have a swimming pool, we have a kids play area, a fully equipped gym, enough parking for you, and this particular home comes with another DSQ, so there's no excuse for you. This is enough space for every family. We will be having this house ready in the next 1 month or so, so get your things ready, get your furniture ready to move in, as you will enjoy your new home right here in Kileleshwa. If you want to view, my number is right here. Get in touch with me and I will plan and schedule a customized site visit for you. Until next time, bye bye. This is Nairobi.